In this video, we'll show you how to terminate the 100-117-100 Excel FAST RJ45 Plug and HD boot with Excel's Category 6 U UTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper, multi-purpose side cutters and the 100-127 crimp tool on setting A. Slide the strain relief boot down the cable. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper. Score the sheath, bend to break it, and remove the jacket. Use the side cutters to remove the ripcord and X-shaped cross filler. Untwist and fan out the pairs. Straighten the wires and trim the ends so they're all the same length. Insert the wires into the FAST RJ45 plug according to T568B. Slide the plug to the edge of the cable jacket. Slide the HD boot up and engage with the base of the plug. Trim the wires that protrude from the plug, leaving about 3mm overhanging. Using the 100-127 crimp tool on setting A, trim the excess wires to terminate the plug.